take your next class of maths of class 2. Your chapter number is chapter 9, shapes. Today I am going to discuss you about the properties of solid shapes. In my previous class I have discussed you about the identification of solid shapes, and that is 3D shapes. Then properties of solid shapes. Shapes like cuboid, cube, sphere, cone and cylinder are called solid shapes. Okay. Then these shapes are called the solid shapes. That is cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere. Then cube. It has three-dimensional shape. As I told you in my previous video, three-dimensional shape is length, breadth and height is there. This is length, this is height, length, breadth. And which has 6 square faces. It has 6 square faces. This is the square, then this is again square, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6 square faces and all are of the same size. As you know, the square is square, all sides are equal. The next point is it has 8 corners and 12 edges. How many corners are there? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These all are corners. And how many edges are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These all are edges. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And these all are these all are corners and these all are edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 11 and 12. This picture is quite now is changed its shape. But I just want to show you which one is the corner and which one is the edge. Okay, these circles you can say these are the corners and this I have shown. This one is the edges. Okay, they are 12 in numbers. Okay. Then the next one, the next point is the some faces and edges are parallel. We just see that these are the edges and this is the faces, and these edges are parallel to this face. So some faces and edges are parallel. Then cuboid. Cuboid has 6 rectangular faces. This is the cuboid and this is the rectangular shape. Okay, and this one is the 6 rectangular faces. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 6. So this is the 6 rectangular faces. Opposite faces are the same. As you know, in the rectangular the opposite faces are the same. Then the next point is that it has 8 corners and 12 edges. To see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These all are corners and 12 edges. This is the edges I just 1, 2. I no need to draw like this. I will just show you like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So these all are 12 edges. That means cuboid has 12 edges. Okay, then the next one is the cylinder. This is the cylinder. It has a 3-dimensional shape with curved faces. As you know, this one also the 3-dimensional face. Then it also has 2 flat faces. It has 2 flat faces. Okay, and they are circular in shapes. This one, 1 and 2. These are 2 flat faces and they are this circular in shape. The next point is it has no corner. It has no corner. See, it has no corner. As you know, in corner the 2 points are meet, but here no 2 lines are there that they will meet. So it has no corner. Then cone. A 3-dimensional shape with a circle at its base and a pointed vertex. It has also 3-dimensional circle and it at its base, this is the circle at its base and pointed. This is the pointed vertex. And it has 2 faces, one face at the bottom of and one around. It has 2 faces. It has 2 faces and one face at the bottom. One face at the bottom and one around. This is one around. It means if you see a cone, then you can see in the bottom portion this is round and the whole portion is like a round. So that you can say the one at the bottom face and another one is the whole around is the one face. Okay, that means it has 2 faces. And cone it has one corner. Yes, it has one corner. This one, it has one corner. Okay, then the next is sphere, a perfectly round 3-dimensional shape like a ball. This is like a ball. Okay, this is called the sphere. It has only one curved face. So it has only one curved face. This is only one face. Okay. So I have explained the properties of solid shape. Hope all of you understand. The study material related to this chapter I will send you later on. For today I just finished my class. Thank you.